So today we're going to see what is a Pandas series. So under Pandas we're going to see what is a series. So I'm going to first import Pandas. And next I'm going to declare a variable as a, which is equal to use a list, giving three numbers, any of the three numbers. I'm taking it as 1, 5 and 7. And next I'm going to use another variable as myvar, which is equal to pd dot series, which is equal to a. And the main thing here is should use capital S for the series. And next print myvar. The answer will be 0, 1, 2, and for the first index our answer will be 1, and for the 0th index our answer will be 1, and for the first index it's 5, and for the second index it's 7. So next we will be looking into what is the labels. So under labels we're going to see, I'm going to take another variable as b. I'm going to declare some integer values, which is of 2, 9 and 74. And next I'm going to declare the same myvar, which is equal to pd dot series. Make sure you're giving the series in a capital letter. And next b comma index, which is equal to x comma y comma and z. And next use print myvar. So for the x index my answer will be 2, and for the y index my answer will be 9, and for the z index my answer will be 74. And next we are going to see what is the key value and also or object as series. So under this I'm going to declare a different variable here, which is calories. Under calories I'm going to give some calories here. For I'm going to divide it into for day 1, day 2 and day 3 here. So let's give it as day 1. For day 1 my calories will be, let's take it as 420. Use comma operator, and again declare day 2, and my calories will be, let's take it as 380. And next for the day 3, the calories will be 390. And next comma, and next will be myvar, and use myvar. So pd, which is nothing but pandas dot series, calories. And next print myvar. So for the day 1 my answer will be 420, for the day 2 it's 380 calories, and for the day 3 it has arranged in a proper series here in my output. And next we'll look on to data frames. So under data frames we're going to see declare a data here, data which is equal to calories, sorry it's a string, just include double quotation. For calories I'm going to give and use a list here, and using list I'm going to give my calories as 420 and 380 and 390. So and for the next And for the next, I'm going to give its duration, come out and give a colon and open the list and give 50. I'm taking random numbers here, 50, 40 and 45. So next it will be my var. Under my var I'm going to give pd dot d as capital data and f as capital frame, data frame data, and print my var. So my answer would be, so data frame is nothing but framing our output in framing the output. It's all about framing the output. So 0 for the 0th index, the calories will be 420. It is arranged in a proper row and columns. So next we look on to next we look on to named indexes. So named index is nothing but import. Already we have imported, so it's not necessary. I'm to declare data, which is a variable here, and opening a placeholder. I'm gonna give the same here. It's already I've given here. Just copying it here. And next df. This time I'm not going to give my var. Instead of that I'm going to use df. So df, which is equal to, df is nothing but data frame. So df is equal to pd dot d caps and f caps, data frame data comma index is equal to d1 comma d2 comma d3. So all fine. And next we're going to give to just print the df. So the d1 my calories is 420 and its duration is 50. For the day 2 my calories is 380 and the duration is 40. And for the D3 my calories will be 390 and the duration will be 45. So next we look on to refer to the named indexes. So how we refer to a named index? By using print df dot loc, which is day 2. So I need the location day 2 from the table df. So I have declared a table here which consists of df, which has my day 1, day 2 and day 3. So here I want location number day 2 from the df table. To printing this I'll be getting, what is my day 2 table here? It's 380 and what is my duration here is 40. Just look here, I've highlighted here. For the day 2 it's 380 and the duration is 40. So just it has given me the exact value. So next will be load files into data frame. So how to load a file into data frame? So for that we need an Excel file consisting of our CSV files. So now I'm going to take df is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV and use data dot CSV print df. So I have a file in my Jupyter notebook, that is data.cv, and it has loaded 169 rows and 4 columns. Next, how to read the CSV file. Now next I'm going to use the save df, which is equal to pd. Wait, I'm taking from here. So I'm just copying from there, data.csv, and next I'm going to give print df dot to underscore string. So it is given me. So now I can read my CSV file whenever and wherever I want. So it has loaded all the values here until last. And next, how to read a maximum rows. Next, how to read CSV files maximum rows. So now I'm going to use, I'm going to print pd.options.display. So pd is pandas, and from the option I'm going to display dot, what we need, it's maximum rows. So display the maximum rows now. So the maximum rows is 60. And next, analyzing data. So analyzing data is also called as, in another form, it's viewing the data. So how we view data? Next, so first we're gonna use the same here, pd.read csv, data csv. So now analyzing and viewing data is nothing but, so for getting the last rows and first rows, so which is an example. So now I need to print, first 5 rows. Okay, so for that I will be using, for first 5 rows it's from starting from the top, so I'll be printing as head here, print df dot head. So I need first 5 rows, so 5. So my answer will be, first 5 rows will be printed from the 0th index. And next I need, let's take print last 5 rows, or let's take print last 8 rows. So now I'm to print df dot, so for printing from the last, I'm to use tail here. As it's a probability term, we are going to use head and tail. For the head, it will be printing from the first, and for the tail, it will be printing from the last. So we need 8, so give it as 8. So my answer will be, from the last, there are 168 rows. So from the 168 till 161, it has been printed here. And next, And next the final will be printing the info. So how to print the info? It's a single line, it's not too big, so I need to just print df dot info. That's all. So my entire info will be created here. So this is my info here. Thank you.